Welcome to my YouTube channel khantechnicial. In last video we have discussed Google Jamboard, and in this video we will discuss Google News. So just click on Google News, and here you can see your local news will be on the top, and other news from all over the world will be in next section. Your full coverage of this history, you can see these are news are 42 minutes ago posted, and 9 hours ago, 4 hours ago. And in left side menu you can select, if you select Pakistan, then you will able to see news from only Pakistan. uh, if you select world, then you will see worldwide news. uh, your local news, it will be work on location base. Then other is business. If you want to read business news, then just click on business. If you are interested in technology news, then tap on technology. The option is entertainment, sports, science and health. Now I am tapping on technology. Then you will see all news are related to tech and technology. In technology, Google have divided technology in four tabs. Number one is latest news, number two is mobile news, number three is gadgets, and number four is internet. So just tap on any tab and read news from Google. So 4 days ago it was posted how SoftBank's costly bet on the Internet of Things backfired at ARM. Uh, these news are from different websites and uh, gathered on Google News. So no PC needed. How to install Raspberry Pi OS over the internet. This is a Mashable News and the Atlantic News and Pharmaceutical Technology, the New York Times, the Verge, the Atlantic, Tech Crunch. So in other categories, now tap on science. There will be latest and trending news on science. Latest science news is environment, out of outer space, and physics, genetics, and wildlife. In genetics, you can see this news is from Science Alert, and some children die without explanation. Genetics is finally giving us answers. Simple DNA test could detect common neurological disorders, study says. These news are from our genetics. And physics, ask Ethan what does grand unified theory means. You can read latest news, and this news is posted published 5 hours ago. Fusion breakthrough once through thought impossible brings energy device closer to realization. So today we have discussed about Google News. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos, and like and share my this video.